My flaws are not my fate. I can love them. I can choose to erase them. Kojisan Face Cream with zero pigment light fades out dark spots and blemishes for an even light tone. Kojisan Command Beauty.
Nagtatrakwalk na kami ngayon. So putik. So hot. It's so putik.
Made of hot tequila. The biscuit. Go.
Mali.
Nandun guys, oh. Hindi ko lang makagalaw.
Yan. Ang mga Kojisan boys and girls. Hindi, iba yan. Kalaban yan.
Apoy. Bang. Jawab nih. Betul ya. Kahit iyo.
Masama yan.
Pati ilang pala lumalabas. Cute!
No.
Gusto ko sa tenga. Wala pa lumalabas sa tenga. Kasi koy.
Baka may umabantit. Hoy.
Saktan talaga siya. May sugi siya sa likod.
Sino?
Bakit umiiyak?
Game! Sabi mo ba gamutin ka siya?
2, 1.
Oh.
4-0.
You're so weak, Joshua. You're so weak.
Magaling talaga.
Ha?
Magaling talaga yan.
Kung biwang nga kayo ni Syra? Oh.
Yan.
Oh, tayo. You against
Wala, malakas ka. Wait, try lang. Malakas ka pa.
About Asian IC. Ako IC Joshua Tamayo. No. Incorrect. Babagsak kita sa Pilipino. Say, ako po si Joshua. Ako IC Joshua. Ako po. Ako po IC Joshua. Ay, taga.
Ay, sorry. Cut.
So guys, natapos lang ng practice and may meet and greet ngayon tayo sa SM. Sama ko si Nigel and masasabi ko sa track, hindi namin naikot yung buong track pero okay lang. Nagawa ko naman yung triple so papasok na tayo sa map.
We're now here. Masasabi mo sa setup?
So, mga kasaging, kinakabahan talaga ako dito. Mas kinakabahan ako sa magsasalita sa mic kaysa sa mismong karera. So, ito lahat ng mga riders na kasama sa meet and greet. May mga international riders din and Filipino riders. And nandito to sa loob ng SM Pulilan.
And of course, for another ladies class rider, we have here Shauna Tamayo.
Everybody go all the crazy
Round of applause, everyone. There we go, and of course, the last but not the least in our...
So, bihira kasi yung race track na may rollers kasi medyo madiwara siyang gawin for a track developer kasi merong measure yan sa sukat, sa taas, and also sa distance na bawat jumps. And I think magandang opportunity ito para sa aming mga riders, especially dito sa zone riders na malapit sa racetrack para mag-practice din kami. And para pag merong ibang racetrack na may rollers, kahit pa paano, may idea na yung mga riders. So, and
I really like the racetrack there. It's really flowy, it has nice jump. My favorite part of the racetrack is the triple. My dad told me not to hear the triple, but I couldn't just resist it, so I just sent it. I really love the rollers as well, and the track is technical, but it's fun. Thank you so much, Pia Gabriel and Sharon Tamayo.
Okay, we will just ask Zaira. How is the track for you? How young are you again? 12 years old. How is that track for you? Kamusta yung track for you to do this competition?
Sa akin, may mga big jumps. Tsaka, may mga din, box, kasi wala kami ng mga sa box. Tapos, maganda ang race lang kasi ang laki ng mga jumps.
Good morning. It is day 1 and it is round 3 today, and I'll be racing the ladies class. We are at Aerostop Hotel. We're definitely breakfast. We're about to go to the track now. So see you guys in the race. So guys, we are now here at SM Pulilan. It's day 1 of racing, and here is the look of our setup with the Koji-san racing team. We have the bikes over here, nice and ready. My dad's just fixing the bike. We have the bus over here, cables, electric fan, and everything you need is all set up for race day. So I'm excited to see how I'll perform later on. And yeah. Thanks for watching. So guys, it's the next day, tapos sobrang putik pa rin. Pero okay lang. Nahulog si Butchokoy dito kahapon eh. It's the racetrack. What can you say, Joshua? It's body.
Yes.
So, yeah. Nagta-track walk kami ngayon. Looking for good lines. Just in case it will be body later.
Kaya.
Kayo din pa kaya to?
yung gagamitin na motor ni Zyra para sa race ngayon. Yan. Yung championship bikes doon.
So ayun nga, dito ako sumemplang and nahulog yung GoPro camera ko. Buti na lang na i-retrieve yung camera and I was struggling to lift the bike up. I know I'm still weak, but thank you sa Marshall na to na tumulong sa akin, and I was trying my best to get up as fast as possible. And yeah, I think I finished second in this race. So I'm actually surprised with how many riders that passed by and ran over my GoPro, but it's still perfectly fine. It's still in good conditions. And actually, in one of the clips here, I ran over my own GoPro. But yeah, so I wasn't able to feel much of Heat 1. I actually ran over my own GoPro. That's crazy. Hi guys, I've just done the round 3 of the ladies class. I was able to get the whole shot, and well, it's a race. Crashes do happen, and I got a hit on my eye, and yeah, I already got the whole shot, but I washed my front tire. I washed my front end in the first quarter before the rollers, but I'll take it into experience. I'll take it as a learning experience, and yeah, we'll get next time. We have one more round, one more race tomorrow, so should be good.
Paro pare, palo mo. Ha? Wala pang video eh. Ito, matbay na helmet. Sapa. Baka nga yung kanina. Pero may pitik din na isa rito. Oo. Diba?
Tamayo. Our second placer will be beating hard for the first position, but unfortunately and still gratefully, the Filipino rider who got the second place, we have Nigel Torre. And second place, 1-2-1, the title of one of our sponsors from Koji San. Let's have on stage Shana Tamayo.
Together with all of our partners. How about a big round of applause for our ladies? Let's all cheer for them. Champions, make some noise.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of racing, and today is round
Hi guys. Hi guys. It's day 2 of racing here at Bulilan, Bulacan, and we are at the hotel, and today's round 4. So currently on the points, I was 1-1-2. So still have the points lead. I just have to play it smart today. Not crash and be careful. So yeah, we'll see how the day goes.
Love you, Lord. Sana, oh Lord, give you the way to sing.
Umesto na sa kakaliwa. Hindi rin. Sabi ko. Wala pa uli na konti. Diyan kasi siya dumikit sa sana. Hindi mo makita ito, parang si Thailander na ano.
Coach!
Mission accomplished.
Yes.
January 11 and 12 naman tayo.
Yes.
Hindi yun, no? Parang
Hi guys, so we're done with racing and I got first in round 4. Although we had good battles in the first 2 laps of the ladies class with Ate Pia, but yeah, she got a bad crash in that double, and hopefully she's okay after that. But yeah, so it's the pro class going on right now. We're going to awarding now.
One day.
Excited about that.
What?
Joshua, what can you say?
Say what? What?
You won, but like you were at the red flag. How did you feel?
I feel something.
Were you tired?
Of course. One.
Why we won 1 ticket? What are you gonna do with this, Josh?
We're gonna, I don't know.
starter kits, the upcoming future of our motocross industry. Congratulations.
Say hi to Kuya. So they were the two people making high fives before they go run. We want you all to dance while you go. Get your trophies.
Our third place rider from Northern Luzon.
Family and friends, watching you all over the world. World class FIM Asia Motocross Championship.
Third place from Liloy Zamboanga, rider number 38. Let's have on stage Zaira Paco. And here we have it, the champion for the ladies category from the province of Rizal. Let's have on stage 1, 2, 1, Shana Banatamayo.
Let's go! What a way to complete all of our champions today. Guys, watch out. You know what to do. These are the fastest ladies for today's competition. How about a big round of applause for this category? You will see them soon representing the Philippine Islands, Filipinas. Girl power and Hep-Hep!
Hooray!
Hep-Hep!
Hooray!
We love you, Director Carla, to all of our team BG products, all of
Dapat nag-125 na rin bro.
So that's gonna be the end of our vlog. We're done with awarding ceremonies. We are now at the hotel Aerostop. We're eating dinner. Yeah, so thank you for watching all the way to the end of my vlog. See you next time.